Apple's privacy just passed another real-world test, and this time it won against the FBI. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. A clash between FBI and a Washington Post reporter has put Apple's security features back in the spotlight, showing just how hard it is to crack an iPhone when it's locked. It all happened when journalist Hannah Nathanson was investigated over alleged leaks of classified information. During a raid on her home, FBI agents seized multiple devices, including an iPhone and a MacBook Pro owned by the Washington Post, plus Nathanson's personal laptop and other electronics. Washington Post blocked access to the data, but that didn't stop the FBI from trying. Apparently, FBI's computer analysis response team attempted to extract data from the iPhone and failed because the device was in Apple's lockdown mode. Even FBI admitted in its filings that it couldn't access the phone at all. But the agents compelled Nathanson to unlock a work MacBook using her fingerprint. Meanwhile, her personal MacBook stayed out of scrutiny, which had a password because in courts, you can force biometric unlocks, but not passwords. And lockdown mode takes things even further. The lockdown mode is Apple's most extreme security setting, designed for people at high risk of targeted spyware. It restricts how a device works, blocks attachments, limits web features, restricts image sharing, and lockdown connection to networks. It's not meant for everyday users, and Apple admits it makes devices less convenient. But as in this case, it can also make them nearly impossible to break into. Apple proved that its lockdown mode does exactly what it promised, even when the opposite side is FBI. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.